Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss articles chapter. Articles are the weak adjectives. The words a, an, and the are called articles. These articles are of two types: indefinite article and definite article. Let us see indefinite article. When we do not specify which person or thing we are referring to, there we use indefinite article. The words a and an are called the indefinite articles. Indefinite article is always used with a singular countable noun. The indefinite article a is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a box, a pen, a house. In these words, b, p, and h are the consonant sounds, so a is used before them. Let us see the use of the an. An is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an employee, an oak tree, an apple. In these examples, employee a is a vowel sound, oak o is a vowel sound, apple a is also a vowel sound. So before vowel sounds we use an. Now let's see the definite article. When we refer to a particular person or thing, it is called the definite article. The word the is called the definite article. For example, the girl who is playing there is our school student. Here when we refer the girl, a particular girl, we are referring there. Now let us see the different uses of the indefinite article. 1. The indefinite article an is used before words beginning with a silent h. For example, an hour, an honor, an heir, an honest. In all these words, the first letters h are silent, so an is used before them. 2. A is used before the words beginning with a vowel letter, that is a, e, I, o, u, but have a consonant sound. For example, a university, a European, a 1 rupee coin, a uniform. So all these are the vowel letters, but they are giving consonant sounds, so a is used before them. 3. A is used before the words beginning with the letter H and is pronounced. For example, a humble man, a hint, a historian, a horse. In all these words, H is pronounced, so A is used before them. 4. A or an is used in the sense of one. For example, I bought a book. A book means here one book. He came with an umbrella. An umbrella means one umbrella. 5. An is used before abbreviations which begin with the letters A, E, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S or X and are pronounced as individual letters. For example, an ISI. ISI is an abbreviation and I pronounce them individually, ISI. So an is used before it. Similarly, an LLB, an RNP, an MP, an SBI card. 6. A is used if the abbreviation is a word or acronym and begins with a consonant sound. For example, a SAARC country, a NATO member. 7. A or an is used in the sense of a certain. For example, a Prem came to see you means a person named Prem. 8. A or an is used to represent a class. For example, a dog is a faithful animal means all dogs are faithful. It represents the total class. 9. A or an is used to make a common noun of a proper noun. For example, a Daniel came to judgment. Daniel is a proper noun. A Daniel means Daniel like qualities. Daniel is good at giving judgment. 10. A or an is used to indicate price or speed. For example, he bought the bananas 40 rupees a dozen. Here 40 rupees a dozen indicates price. She rode the bike at 60 kilometers an hour. 60 kilometers an hour indicates speed and indefinite articles are used there. 11. A or an is used in exclamations. What a pity! What a beautiful sight! These are the exclamation sentences where we used indefinite articles. 12. A or an is used in some phrases. Many a, what a, such a, pay a visit, take an interest in a hurry, in a word, play a joke, take a vacation, etc. Let us discuss the use of the definite article. The definite article the is used to indicate the noun whose identity is clear to the listener. For example, what is the time? So the listener understands the time means the time at present. Now, what is the time? Now. 2. Before the nouns unique of their kind. For example, the earth, the moon, the sky, the sun. All these are the unique things. So the is placed. 3. To represent a class of people with adjectives. Before the adjective, if we use the definite article the, it represents the total class of that people or things. The injured were immediately taken to hospital means all injured were taken to hospital. 4. With the names of some countries. Example, the USA, the UK, the Netherlands. 5. Before the names of the holy books. For example, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Mahabharata, the Bible, etc. 6. Before a proper noun to make a common noun. Example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here Shakespeare is a proper noun. By placing the before it, it is converted into a common noun. So Shakespeare like dramatic qualities are there in Kalidas. So Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. 7. Before the names of rivers, mountains, oceans, seas and canals. For example, the Alps, the Krishna, the Atlantic, the Bay of Bengal. 8. Before a superlative adjective. We have 3 degrees, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we place the. For example, he is the tallest boy in the class. And to indicate a class with nouns in the singular. For example, the monkey is a mischievous animal. The monkey here represents the total class. All monkeys are mischievous. 10. With the words like middle, top, end, first, next, center. Before these words, the is used. For example, Mohan is the first to make the video. 11. As an adverb with a comparative. For example, the more, the happier. Here more is a comparative. Placing the before it, we are making it into an adverb. So till now we discussed the different uses of indefinite article and definite article. Now let us discuss omission of the article. Omission of the article means where we should not use any article. What are those areas? Let us discuss. First, before proper nouns. For example, Abdul Kalam is a great scientist. Abdul Kalam is a proper noun. No article is used before it. 2. Before plural nouns. For example, books are the true friends. Books is a plural noun. No article is used before it. 3. Before abstract nouns and material nouns. For example, patience is a great virtue. Patience is an abstract noun. Similarly, truth and falsehood. Cotton is light. Cotton is a material noun. Gold, silver, and iron, etc. are also material nouns. No articles are used before them. 4. Before names of diseases. He is suffering from fever. Fever is the name of the disease. No article is used before it. 5. Before languages and colors. For example, she does not know Sanskrit. Sanskrit is the name of the language. No article is used. Blue is my favorite color. Blue is a color. So no article is used before blue. 6. Before certain titles and names indicating relationships. For example, King Williams, Uncle Tom. Williams is the king and Tom is an uncle. These are showing relationships. 7. Before certain titles and names of things, single in kind. Example, God, heaven, hell. Before these, single of their kind, we don't use any article. 8. Before names of meals. You know the names of meals: breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner, etc. Example, Sri Shailam invited me to dinner. Here before dinner, no article is used. 9. Before places visited for primary purpose. Primary purpose means the place where we go for what that place is meant for. For example, he goes to school every day. Here school we go to study as a student. It is the primary purpose. But sometimes we go to the same place on some other purpose. It is called the secondary purpose. For secondary purpose, the is used before a noun. For example, my father went to the school to pay the fees. Your father did not went to school to study. To pay the fees, he went there. So, the is used before school. And finally, 10. In certain phrases, we do not use any article. As in, to catch fire, to give ear, to lose heart, at home, in hand, by water, by air, by land, by train, on foot, on horseback, etc.